My name is Samira. I'm welcoming you all to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, how are you doing today? I'll be guiding you on how to make an elegant A-line dress like this. This dress is on point, is what you need as a wedding guest, one party, office party. You can wear it to there. To make this outfit, you need 2 years of this latest Duchess material. Hello soulmate, please subscribe now to my YouTube channel. You can like, share, comment. What would help you focus for the rest of this sewing tutorial? Let me know. So guys, turn on the notification bell to get notified to see my next tutorial. I believe you love watching tutorials like this. Keep watching and let's dive in. This is what I have for today's tutorial, 2 years of this latest Duchess fabric that I'll be using. So I'll be cutting out the parts I'm going to use for the front part, and this is how I'm going to fold it. I want you to keep on watching this tutorial to the end to learn a new technique. Right now I've went ahead to fold my fabric by 12 inches. That is, the width is by 12 inches. That is what I use in folding my fabric. So after that, I'll be measuring my shoulder line, and it's by 15 inches. So that's for my shoulder line, which is by 15 inches. So just keep on watching guys, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can also turn the notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial. So from my shoulder to my half length point is by 14 inches. So that's my 14 inches for my half length point. So, and I'm going to also mark from my shoulder to my hip line area, and it's by 22 inches. So that's the 22 inches. So my hip measurement is 35 inches. Then I'm going to also add my stitching allowance by 2 inches. So that's what I'm adding there. So after that, I'm going to mark 26 inches for my waist measurement. Then I'm going to also add 1.5 inch for the stitching allowance. So that's for my waist measurement. Right now, from my shoulder to my chest line, I will be measuring 8 inches. So that's for my chest line, which is by 8 inches. And I'm going to also get my bust measurement there from my chest line, which is by 33 inches. Then I'm going to also add 2 inches that I'm going to use for the sewing allowance. Right now, I'm going to curve my armhole by 2 inches. So guys, just keep on watching guys. It's a new way to cut your A-line dress. It's an elegant one, something that you can wear out as a wedding guest, to a wedding party, to your one-bed party, your office party. It's very unique style and very simple to wear. I will be marking my neckline now, so I'm going to go by 3 inches. So I'm going to go down also by 2.5 inches. So I'll give a curve. So right now, you see the way I'm placing my tape. So I went up again by marking 1.5 inches from the back depth neckline. Okay? And I'm going to slope my shoulder by 1 inch. So I'll be using my ruler now to slope it down. And don't forget, my shoulder slope is by 1 inch. So I'll be taking the length of my dress, the full length, and the full length is by 52 inches. So you can see the way I placed my tape when measuring the full length of my dress, which is by 52 inches. So right now, from my shoulder to my style line point is by 30 inches. So that's for my style line point, which is by 30 inches. I hope you are seeing what I'm measuring. That's for my style line and it's by 30 inches. So I'm going to use my ruler to give a straight line. As a wedding guest, so I'm going to shape my dress. Let me move it upwards so I can see what I'm doing, because I want my dress to look elegant. So I'll be shaping my dress by 30 inches. So this is how to shape it so that it can have that A-line shape, very unique style. Okay. So for now, I'm through with the measurement for my front part. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be connecting from my style line to my hip. Okay, so that's the connection. So I started it from my style line to my hip. So from my hip, so I'm going to connect it down to my waist. So that's my waist area. So from there, I'm going to take it down again to my bust measurements. So I'm taking it from my waist now down to my bust area of my measurements. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share this tutorial with your friends. So this is how I'm going to flare it out to my hemline point, so you can see the way I'm doing it. So you can see the shape. If you can watch very well, you can see how the shape is now. So this is how to go about it when making your own. So this is how to flare it out. So I did it and I took it from my hemline point. After that, I'm going to cut it out. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed now, please, you can just subscribe now. And don't forget to turn on notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel, guys. So I'm cutting the front part. So this is what I'm going to use to cut the back part, because we have already taken the measurement. We are not going to take any measurement when cutting the back part. So let me know in the comment section what would help you focus for the rest of this sewing tutorial. I want to know, so that next time I will know what to do, guys. Just drop it in the comment section. I want you to comment. I want to have a conversation with you guys. And if you don't understand any part from this tutorial, don't be shy. Just drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you. Yes, that's me for you. So by now you should know me. Okay, so just keep on watching. And this is the front part that we are cutting now. So this is what we are going to use to cut the back part when cutting it. Okay, so let me shift. You can see my hairline shape, you can see my style line, you can see how beautiful it is. So I'm through with my front part. So I'll be adding my zipper side now by 1 inch. So after that, I'll just go ahead and start cutting. So guys, do you know the step that we are now? We are cutting the back part of our A-line dress that we are making today. As a wedding guest, you should make this kind of style for yourself when attending. So right now I'm going to open my zipper part. So after opening it, I'll head over to stitch it together. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please keep on watching to the end, guys. So right now I've sewn my zipper on my A-line dress. You can see how neat it is, guys. After that, I'll be pinning my shoulder this way before sewing it together. So you can see the way I'm pinning it. I want you to follow this procedure when making your own. Like I said, if you don't understand a particular section from this sewing tutorial, don't be shy. Please, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to assist you. I'm going to reply to your comment. So this is how to stitch it when sewing it. This is how I'm going to run my stitch when joining my shoulder together First, I'm going to use my pin to pin it this way before stitching it together. So that's what I'm pointing at. I'm going to also do it at the other side. So at this point, I'll be joining the front and the back part together, guys, and I'll be measuring my bust by 33 inches. And don't forget, when joining your body parts, you have to divide your measurements by 2. So I'm going to divide all my measurements by 2. So right now I'm measuring my waist and it's by 26 inches. So I'm going to also divide it by 2. Okay, so that's the line, and that's how I'm going to sew my stitches together. The hip is by 35 inches. I'm going to also divide it by 2. Also my style line is by 30 inches. I'm going to divide it also by 2. Like I said, remember, when joining your body parts, you need to divide all your measurements by 2, and I'm going to do that. So you can see the line, that line that you are seeing, that's where I'm going to run my stitch on. You can see it. So I'm connecting it, and I'm going to follow that chalk line when stitching it. So when stitching your own, you should also follow your measurement, your chalk line when stitching it. So I'm going to also take it down to the hemline area. So that's for my style line, which is by 30 inches. So I'm going to divide it also by 2. Okay, so that's what I'm pointing out, and that's what I'm doing now. So I'm going to follow the line when stitching it. I'm going to take it down. So guys, this is a beautiful tutorial. Don't keep it to yourself alone. You can share it to your friends and your family members. So guys, and don't forget that the style that we are making today, so let us wear it out for you to see how beautiful it is. Thank you for riding with me to the end of today's tutorial. You guys are amazing. You can see the guide is very simple to understand. If there is any part that is not clear to you, let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment. What could we have done better in this video or tutorial? Let me know in the comment section below. I care about you and I love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye.